ओशेल खैराट कामुर्ले हांगासर एका कुत्र्याचे तोंड ब्लास्ट करपाचो प्रकार घडलो। बिरेस्तारा राती थंयच्या लोकांक कसलो तरी ब्लास्ट जाला आवाज आयलो तेन्ना तांच्यांनी भायर येवन पळयल्यार कांयच कळेना। मात दुसरे दिसा कुत्रो मेल्ले अवस्थेत दिसलो। ह्या नदी हांगासर अशेच कुत्र्याक विष दिवन मारपाचे प्रकार घडल्यात, ताका लागून पुलिशेन हाचेर कारवाय करची अशी मागणी थळाव्या लोकांनी केल्या। RDS गोवा खातीर कामुर्लेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
Actually, around 2:30, early hours of the morning, we heard a very loud blast. We didn't know it was a gunshot or a cracker, what we didn't know. We got up and my husband got up and he went out. I said, what is it? Is it a gunshot or what? He said, no, all the guns are in the police station. It may be a cracker. And in the morning also we were trying to find out what happened, but we couldn't figure out. But then our neighbor called at 8 o'clock and said that there's a dog in the lane who's really bad, in a bad state. Must be it was an explosive and he really finished off. He's finished off his head and was one side and he was one side. So we rang the police at Anjuna, Mapsa, and they're all here to assist us. I mean, this is a residential area because people are coming from work at night. And what if it happened and they were affected? No, it would be a very bad thing.
What was that? What was that?
It's an explosive. We don't know what it could be, but it was a blast, like a real loud sound where even the other side of the village heard the noise. But I rang my neighbor in the field. He says the field they are. He said it's not this side. It should be somewhere this side. Because we were in a sleep, so we did not know really where. But it was here because the dog died here instantly. We can tell by his state. If you see his state. Here in this lane, we are in another lane. She's here in this lane with dogs. We are in another lane. It can happen at any moment, at any time now if it's a habitual thing.
First they were poisoning the dogs.
Because 4 of our dogs died of very bad poisoning. Instantly they died.
2 survived. One of my dogs survived and one of my neighbor's dogs survived by taking to the doctor or something. But hers died on the spot. And this is this now.
Now this is so we are really in fright. So we need some protection. If anyone could assist us in this case.
तेन्ना आमच्या सगळ्यांक हांगासर सदांच ईग घालून मारतालेत आनी हें चालूच आहा ईग घालपाचें। हें इन्सिडंट आतां जाला पळय तें फर्स्ट टायम। फकत आतां आमी कितें मागता पुलिसांनी हांगासर मातशें स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन घेवपाचें तेणी आनी आमकां मातशें हांगासर प्रोटेक्ट करपाचें म्हणून। कित्याक हें आतां हें डेंजर हें आतां हें आनीक तर हें जाय जाल्यार आनी फुडें आमचें कितें जाता इकडे येता वयता लोक आमी चालूच वाटी आमच्या हांगासर म्हणून मातशें पुलिसांनी आतां हें स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन घेवंक जाय हें आतां आमचें ओशेल खैराट कामुर्ले। हांगासर चड एनिमल्स हांगा सारकें हें करतना आमकां एनिमल्स हांगासर जायन सुणी कित्याक आमकां हांगासर कोण ना प्रोटेक्शन हांगा म्हणजे आमकां सेफ्टी कित्याक सुणें भोंकलें कितें जालें मातशें जाग ही जाता आमकां हांगासर म्हणून आमकां ही सुणी जायन हांगासर। पूण हें कितें नाका जालेलें जाता हांगासर आमच्यान पळोवंक जायना हें हांगासर हें जाता तें हेणी मातशें पुलिसांनी हे करून स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन घेवंक जाय।